Welcome back to our channel. As you saw in the thumbnail and as you see here, we have made a pumpkin. Actually, it's a jack-o'-lantern, right?
Yeah.
What's a jack-o'-lantern? It's a funny pumpkin with the
Eyes.
eyes and a face. Yeah.
Yeah, it's so funny.
This is Krishna and this is my sister Gianna. I'm 10 and she's 4. Right?
Yeah,
You're 4.
I am.
Yeah, you're not 5, right? Okay. Okay. So this drawing is meant for little preschoolers. As you can see, we want to develop them making shapes and maybe like grass. So if they want to learn some new shapes or maybe bumps, that's why. And even Halloween is
Starting!
I mean, it's not starting, but it's coming up. So we're gonna post some more Halloween videos as you see. And are you excited for Halloween?
Yes, I do want to go on Halloween right now.
Do you want to go on Halloween right now?
Yeah.
I know, I do too. If you want to draw this jack-o'-lantern, make sure you keep on watching. And make sure to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe. Let's begin. First, we're gonna make 3 bumps over here. 1, 2, 3. Make sure they're big bumps. Good job. Now, we're gonna extend those lines down. Now, we're gonna make another 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Now we're gonna make the pumpkin stem. We're gonna make 1 line going outward,
One outward.
and then 1 line going outward again.
One going outward again.
And then we're gonna connect those lines.
Connect the lines.
And now we're gonna make a jack-o'-lantern. You know what a jack-o'-lantern is?
No.
So it's a pumpkin that has a face.
Oh.
So we're gonna make 1 triangle here.
I have a 1 triangle here.
That's a square. It's fine. And then another triangle here.
Another triangle here.
Do you know your shapes?
No.
Okay, then we're making a tiny triangle. Now, make sure you watch, okay? Because this is the hard part.
Yeah.
We're gonna make 1 squiggly, 1 zigzag.
Mm.
And then more tiny zigzags. Okay. Now
Gold glasses. That's why I
Okay.
wear.
Now we're gonna do this. It's like, look, you see this point? We're gonna go down there. And the same thing here. Good. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing but backwards. We're gonna go up, down, up, down. Good job. And then just, do the same thing. And then over here, look, you need to make 1 more. Like
I'm
that.
done.
You're done? Good job. I love your jack-o'-lantern. It's so silly.
Yeah, and Halloween, I'll tell Nana and Mommy to put it in my wall.
Okay, now we're gonna make the grass.
Rest of my favorite.
We're gonna make 1 line and then another line. So easy.
Yeah, I love to make lines.
Yeah. Now we're gonna make the moon to make it look like it's on a Halloween night. We're gonna make 1 curve here.
I don't like to make moons.
That's fine. But we're doing it right now. And then we're gonna make another curve there.
Another curve here.
That's okay. Okay. You have a curvy moon. Now we're gonna make some bats. We're gonna make a circle. Oh wait, no, we're gonna make a U shape. Don't mind that, it's fine. We're gonna make a U shape, okay? And then we're gonna add a zigzag. And then color that in. Color it in.
Where are you coloring?
Bats are black.
Color?
Yeah, color. Now we're gonna make the bat's wings. We're gonna make one loop.
One loop.
And another.
And another.
And then we're gonna make a curvy line here.
Then a curvy line here.
And then do the same thing here.
The same thing here.
And then color it all in.
I love to make wings more. Ew.
And if you want, you can make another bat over here. You don't need to make another bat. I'm just making another bat.
I want to make other bats.
Okay, then do the same steps. Do you remember the steps?
And
First, you need to make a little cat. Yeah, good job.
then
And then make 2 zigzags.
2 zigzags.
And then color it in.
Color it in.
And then, do you know how to make the wings? The wings are a bit tricky. Good job. Those are some nice wings. Yeah, you can even make your wings pointy. Like she did. Right, Gianna?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're done with our pumpkin. So caps and markers. Okay.
But those are close.
So the colors we're going to be using is...
Gel markers.
Yeah, Joe crayons. So we're going to be using brown for the stem.
Yes.
Orange for the pumpkin.
Yes, my favorite. And my favorite.
Yellow for the inside of all of these.
I know. The yellow super shiny.
I know. Green for the grass. Blue for the sky.
Yeah.
And yellow for the moon. Well, it's a bright yellow.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward this part. So if you want, you can pause the video now and you can start coloring. Let's color.